In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to green screen in Adobe Express. If you've ever wanted to place yourself in a different location or cleanly swap a background for a product shot, this workflow is quick, clean, and beginner-friendly. We'll walk through the essentials, and I'll share simple tips to help you get a polished result without overcomplicating things. Start by opening Adobe Express and uploading your image or video that has a green screen background. Clear, even lighting, and a solid, consistent green make the process smoother, but don't worry if your screen isn't perfect. Express does a good job of finding the subject. Higher resolution files also help the edges look sharper, especially around hair or fine details. Once your media is in the project, click it to select it. Then choose Edit Image if you're working with a photo, or Edit Video if you've uploaded a clip. This opens the essential controls so you can make targeted adjustments to just that layer. It's a simple way to keep your subject selected while you prepare to remove the green background. Next, choose Remove Background. Adobe Express will automatically detect your subject and erase the green screen in just a moment. The tool looks for clear separation between the subject and the background, so even if the green varies slightly or there are soft shadows, it often handles it well. Take a quick look around the edges to see how clean the cutout appears. If you notice any leftover green or missing bits of your subject, use the Erase or Restore brush to fine-tune the edges. Zoom in for precision and adjust the brush size to match the area you're refining. Use Restore to bring back details like hair strands, fingers, or fabric edges, and Erase to clean up any green spill or unwanted background. Work slowly around tricky areas, and don't hesitate to undo if you go too far. Small, careful strokes make a big difference. With your subject isolated, add a new background by inserting another image or choosing a color. You can upload a photo for a realistic scene, pick a stock image, or select a solid color for a clean graphic look. Place the background behind your subject, then scale and position both layers so they feel natural together. For a convincing result, choose a background that matches the lighting direction and perspective of your subject. A subtle, darker color or a softly textured backdrop can also reduce distractions and make your subject pop. And that's all you need to replace a green screen in Adobe Express quickly and effectively.